Trapezoidal rule. What is trapezoidal rule? Trapezoidal rule is a method for calculating the area under a curve. The trapezoidal rule is a numerical integration rule that approximates the area under a curve by dividing it into a series of trapezoids. This is an example of trapezoids under a curve with the enlarged trapezoid on the right. Before diving into the trapezoidal rule, let us first define a trapezoid. Trapezoid is a flat shape with 4 straight sides and with 1 pair of parallel sides. The parallel sides of a trapezoid are called bases, and the non-parallel sides are called legs. The perpendicular distance between the two bases is called height. Right trapezoid is one that has one leg at right angles to the bases. This will be the figure that we will study mostly in this course. The formula for calculating the area of a trapezoid is area equals the height multiplied by the half of the sum of the bases, or area equals the half of the height multiplied by the sum of the bases, where A equals the area of the trapezoid, H equals the height of the trapezoid, small letter a equals one of the bases, base A, small letter b equals the other base of the trapezoid, base B. Calculation of area under the curve using the formula for trapezoid. This is not the trapezoidal rule yet. In the illustration below, it has a coordinate from y and x axis. The y-axis range from 0 to 8, and the x-axis range from 0 to 12. y1, y2, y3, and y4 represent the bases of the trapezoids. X1, X2, and X3 represent the height of the right trapezoids. A 1, A2, and a 3 represent the area of the trapezoids. Here is the solution using the formula for Area 1 and Area 2. The result will be in square units. Here is the solution using the formula for Area 3. Then take the sum of A1, A2, and A3. The result will be the total area in square units. Calculation of area under the curve using the trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule. It is a formula used for approximating the area under the curve by making the total area as side-by-side trapezoids. It calculates the total area under the graph with the pattern 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, etc. Find the solution using the formula A equals H2 multiplied by A plus B. Substitute the bases multiplied by the pattern mentioned earlier into the A plus B. The formula will become A equals X divided by 2 multiplied by the sum of Y, 1 plus 2, I2 plus 2, Y3 plus Y4. Use the pattern mentioned earlier as multiplier to the bases I1, Y2, Y3, I4, etc. Example: find the total area of trapezoids in the illustration below using the trapezoidal rule. Here is the solution using the trapezoidal rule. Another way to solve. Easy work. Happy learning. You need only to practice to get a perfect score in your exam. Next lesson, Simpson's Rule.